G'day everyone, it's Chriso. How you doing? I'm doing this splashback. I've arrived on the job 8 o'clock, that's my usual time, and I'm going to be laying this 15 by 750 as a splashback. I'll take you inside. This is where I'll be cutting them. I'll show you how to do all that. Yeah, so I won't get dust everywhere because I'll be cutting it with water with my grinder. They're a big tile. You don't come across this size tile very often, so you don't go rushing out and buying a $2,000 or $3,000 cutter. Nah, you just cut them with a grinder and a wet sponge, and I'll show you how to do that shortly. We'll just go through the house. Right, here we go. They want it, this height is about 700, so I'll be cutting it to that height. They want it running through at the same height of as the cabinets, through there. So what I'll be doing is I start there, go through to there. I'll be starting at this end and cutting my tiles accordingly and button to the wall there and a piece there. Nice little splashback to do. So I've been waiting months for this bench top to arrive, and it got fitted the other day. I've got today spare, so I'll pop them up and grout it tomorrow morning. I'll clip it all together, grout it tomorrow. No sense in trying to, you can't sort of rush it. I did ask them for a bigger profile architrave, which they've done, which is brilliant. Now, my tiles that thickness, 10mm plus glue. That's lovely. I can finish it with silicone brilliantly. In this sort of instance, because they're such big tiles and that sort of thing, you measure twice always. Check your measurement. There's a few PowerPoints and that to cut around. Measure twice, cut once. Now I will be putting a primer on this gibrock, so that's what I'll be doing next. Nothing sticks to dust, as I say that all the time in my videos. It's a biggie. So I'll come back to you shortly. Okay, it's Chriso. The second procedure, the first one is we've protected the bench, and that is a must. This has cost them a heap of dough to get fitted. This top, it's true marble, not created. It would have cost a little bit of dough, so you protect it. I might change that. It's going on too thick, so and I don't want to have the runs. Well, that might be better. I might do it with a cloth. I don't want it to stain the marble, that's all. It's all good. This takes care of any dust. You don't have to be perfect, it's just a bit of a coating for the glue to stick to. People, DIYs, professionals go yeah, but they don't do it, they just stick to the dust, and then people wonder why things fall off. Right, so they want it at the same height all the way through, the same height as the cabinets. So what I'll be doing is cutting the bottom piece. It'll be going to the bottom, so I have the milled edge at the top. I'll show you when I get there. Cool bananas. Good one. I'm looking around just checking checking my bench top. Okay, I'll come back to you shortly. This is Chris O. I'll come back to you when I'm cutting. See ya.